today. We're at Canada's Wonderland.
They're late for their own show.
And yeah, we're going to...
Do you think they're going to do like
today,
sunsets?
we will be watching people up there. Waterfall right there. Up there on the waterfall. There. And there's a little waterfall right there.
At the very top. Yep.
Waiting.
Right there.
They should come out at 6:15, but it is...
What time is it?
It is 6:20? Yeah, it's 6:20. 5 minutes late. Comment down below if you think they are going to be 10 minutes late even. Or not even do it today. And yeah.
You can do pretty filters.
No one likes waiters. No one likes boring things. So we're just going to talk about some stuff while we wait. Yeah, we're going. Oh my gosh! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh my god, I don't know if I can see them. Oh god, they're right on the edge. They're so close, yes.
Are you ready, you guys?
This is like nail biting.
Subscribe! Like! If you think these guys are going to survive the jump. If you ever go to Toronto, go to Canada's Wonderland and watch. He's on first.
Getting a good video, Kelly?
They're jumping off a waterfall. Where is he? Oh no. There, he's swimming.
Oh, is he?
There? Yeah, there.
Okay, the other guy's gonna go.
Oh no. Do it. Whoa.
There must be more divers. Was that it? Was that the show?
Yeah. Look at that.
You made it that long for that? No, there's more. They're waiting. There must be more, is it?
One day?
Is that it?
Yeah. That's it?
Good talk.
That's it?
Let's go. On more rides.
Bye guys. See you guys in the next one. Probably in Vancouver or something. And yeah. I was waiting for only one. So we went to Prince Edward Island first. No, we flew to Toronto, to Prince Edward Island, to Toronto, to now we're going to go to Vancouver, then Kelowna, then Vancouver, then Kelowna. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you like that. Click that bell for notifications. If you don't want to miss my Vancouver video and all my other cool videos. And remember to like. We need those likes. Let's only say your opinion. Like if you like it, dislike if you don't.
But don't dislike.
Yeah, it make me sad. Super sad. already the end of the video. That was all of it. Yeah, see you guys. Maybe it might be more video or less video or no enough. Bye. Don't go out of this video. I might do some more in this video. So do not get out of this right now. Bye. Waterfall. I know how to read waterfall. It's keep repeating. Like, subscribe. Click that bell. Like, subscribe. Click that bell. Yeah. Now you can leave the video. Did it? Now to the end. Thank you. Thank you very